Okay, guys, just a quick update with Bitcoin. I'm going to give you some price targets to pay attention to and some support and resistance levels to pay attention to that we need to get above if we go higher and if we stay below a certain point where your next support level is. Yesterday's video, I told you to buy in at 62,400. We did come down to this point and we pushed up. This was November 12th yesterday. I'll put a link up this video now if you want to check it out. I did make a, you can see we did come down, we tested 62,400, we did push up. If you'll notice, so I made a tweet. Also, guys, my Twitter's private. You have to subscribe to my charts to get access. But I made a tweet. There were 3 charts that showing 62,400 with strong support. H1 chart, C1 chart, and the G1 chart. All 3 of these charts together showed it was very likely we would hold support there. We did. We pushed up. You can see right down here. We found support and we pushed up. But I did make a tweet, guys. So again, I wish I could make a video on the fly, but it takes time to create these videos. I said refresh the H1 chart, take note blue line. We could get a slight rejection there. So again, these charts, I update them and then say hit refresh. You see the changes, but you'll notice I saw that we were getting rejected at this point, right? Rejection, rejection, rejection. It was resistance, resistance. So it made sense. So I just drew a trend line, that blue trend line, and I said, look, we could get a slight rejection here, and we did. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that is a point we need to watch, see if we can get above. So currently right now, this is resistance right here at 63,659. So if we cannot get above this blue line, this is what you're watching to see. If we get above 63,920 and stay above this key support, well, it's currently resistance 63,659. If we can get above that, the next point to watch to get rejected is going to be up here around 66,134. Your next point to buy in, too long, just like this one, guys. At 62,400, next point too long will be right down here around potentially 61,680. And that's been a lot of support. You can see it goes back a good ways. We had resistance, support, 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 resistance, support. So that will be the point to put in your next long. But again, if we get above, let's just say 63,700 above this line, this would be the next point to put in your short. If you want more information about this, go back and watch that previous video. I did cover this in detail. This was another chart I was talking about. I showed you that tweet, 62,400. You see we pushed up. I'm going to cover that in this video as well, 62,428. So do reference the different charts. This is the G1 chart. I can tell you this, your key support right now, see we came down, we found support right here, 62,000, right, 62,400. So again, 3 charts in confluence. Again, guys, very likely would hold. If things get kind of bad, your next strongest support to watch, you can see right here we found support. Let me find my arrow tool. We found support here once, twice. So if we come down, again, this will be the next point to catch a bounce around 61,085. I think that pretty much covers it. Yesterday I did talk about the Dow Jones. I said it was likely we'd have some downside with the US dollar. We did, and we would hold support here and push up. You can see we did, but we have this trend line that we got rejected at right here at 36,151. So Monday is going to be a very important day. If we break above this point, then we could be pushing back up to potentially 36,437. However, if we have some downside in the markets, it opens below this yellow line. And I think it's very possible to have some downside with the markets. And remember, guys, if the markets are down, Bitcoin's going to come down as well. The MACD and RSI, it looks like it could go either way, so we'll have to see what happens on Monday. But do pay attention to that. Again, just to recap really quick, just pay attention. You see we're coming down. So your current resistance now is 60,644. If we continue down, the next point you want too long, 61,680. If you get above 63,827, the next point you want to short is 66,197. And again, guys, if you want to access these charts, websites, optimalcrypto.com. Link will be pinned in the first comment and description. That's it. I'm out. Trade safe, trade smart.